only that could really happen. Am I asking for too much?
Aha! Watch out, Sammy!
Oh, Sue, I just can't stop thinking about her smile and her hair and her eyes.
Hey, don't get distracted. But why don't you just tell her that you like her?
Oh, come on! Shush, Sue! It's a secret!
Yeah, I won! Won!
Sue, it's not important at the moment. Ugh! Wait, what if I cook her something? Will it help?
It's a great idea. And I know what you can make. I know a cool recipe.
You do? Then why are we wasting time here?
Sorry, Sammy. Let's get down to work. This is the bowl we'll mix all our ingredients in. Here they are.
Sue, check out my apron. Isn't it the best? A bit uncomfortable though.
Oh, I forgot the whisk. Don't touch anything, okay?
You got it? How do I take this off? Hey, Sue! Sue? It means Sam's cooking show is on. So what do we have here? Eggs? Perfect. Just what I need. Oh, all the tricks are performed by professional slime chefs. Do not replicate. Aha! The next ingredient is milk. Yummy. There we go. We can't do without flour, too. The more, the better. Ladies and gentlemen, our dough is almost ready. It's time for the last secret ingredient. Food coloring. Do you also think I need to add more? I agree. Let's do this. Now, I'll mix it all together really well. Shouldn't it be pinker, though? I'd better mix it a bit more.
Sammy, I'm back. Ah! What's happened here?
Oh, Susie. Check it out. I'm cooking. Look what I've made. Ta-da! Huh? Wait, how did it even happen? Weird. Anyway, here's the dough.
It's not even close to looking like dough.
Whoopsie.
I guess something went really wrong here.
I get it, but what shall I do with this now? Oh, I'm doomed.
Oh, don't worry, Sammy. We can always start from the very beginning.
I hope this time will be more successful. I can't leave Barbie with nothing.
For the perfect batter, we need to get the right ingredients.
Let's add a banana too.
Not for this recipe.
Oh, come on!
We need to stir the batter really well. We don't need any lumps in it.
How about making it pink by adding a few pieces of this?
Sorry, not this time. Better bring me some pink food coloring. This is how the batter should be. Not too thick, not too liquid.
But it can never be too pink, right, Sue? How much should I add?
Just a few drops. Enough. Okay, now let's mix it all again. Wow, what a beautiful color! Now it's time to add the next ingredient. Whipped egg whites. They have to be really fluffy, like a cute little cloud. And now, some mixing again. There, the batter for our cake is ready.
Wow, it looks super yummy. Gotta try it. Ouch, Sue!
No one's trying it until it's baked.
But Sue, just a teeny tiny bite for this poor hungry slime. Pretty, please.
Aren't we making this cake for Barbie? You can try some later if she lets you. Now, we need a design.
Hold on a second, Sue. But what if the cake is too sweet? Someone has to taste it to make sure it's okay. I am perfect for this.
Sammy, it's okay, I promise. Better take care of the hearts.
The hearts? Oh, what do I do? What do I do? Oh, I know! Anything for my Barbie? A heart here and a heart there. Oh, this spot looks too empty.
Wow, Sammy, you've done a great job. It looks amazing. Now we just need to pour the batter. And that's what we've got. Here's a life hack. Hitting the tray against the table helps spread the batter more evenly.
Got it! Hit against the table.
Huh? What's that?
Hey, it's a secret recipe.
That's it. Now to the baking.
Sue, do you know what Ken just did? Huh? A pink swimming pool? Woohoo, I'm going in. Cannonball!
Sam, you will ruin our work. Cut it out. Okay, we need to put this into the oven for 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's take care of the frosting.
Hey, what's going on here? It's too loud. I can't concentrate. I'm getting ready for my date.
Okay. The frosting is ready. This is already cooled down too, so I can just spread the frosting.
Stop! Put your hands up! It's cake police! I'm investigating the case of disappearance of flowers and hearts. Where did they go, huh?
No worries, they are still here, I promise. Here, let me prove that to you. Ta-da! Here are our flowers and hearts. See? No need to panic. Let me proceed with the frosting, okay? Here's a little berry surprise. Now watch closely, everyone. It's time to roll the cake. Be very careful, otherwise it may break. Here we go. Now I'll leave it in the fridge for a few hours.
Oh, my sweet Barbie. No, not good enough. The cake is sweet, not Barbie. Dear Barbie, I am so happy that today you agreed to come on a date. What's with my outfit? Oh yeah, come on, Barbie. Oh, Barbie, why aren't you wearing a hat? It's so cold outside. Nothing's better than looking classy. On the other hand, what if I lose my bow tie? Yes, I'll just go as is.
Voila! Our cake is finally ready. Just look at how pretty it is. And check it out. It looks like a love heart.
Hey, Sue, I've been thinking, whoa, so pretty.
Yup. Where have you been?
Well, never mind. Let's better take a closer look at our cake.
All right. Sammy, calm down.
I can't. Look at her. Standing there so pretty. Oh, what if she won't like the cake?
Just give it a shot.
Oh, you're right. Okay, I'm going.
I love happy endings. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and happy Valentine's Day, everyone!